All right, this portable power station setup has been one of the coolest little off-grid tools I have used. It is small, lightweight, and it gives you way more power options than you would expect from something this compact. And I'll show you here in a second how I was able to use it with multiple different devices such as my MacBook, Starlink, and even my TV. Now, I was sent this portable solar generator by EnginStar, and I tested a bunch of real world devices with it. As you can see here, the very first thing I did was plug in my Starlink Mini directly into the DC adapter port. It powered up perfectly, the connection came online right away, and it stayed fully stable. This is a huge deal for camping, road trips, emergency outages, or anyone who wants internet everywhere they go. I also plugged in my MacBook Pro using the AC outlet. As you can see here, it started charging immediately and held steady with clean, pure sine wave output. Now, why does this matter? Well, laptops and sensitive electronics, they need that stable power. So this station delivers it better than modified sine wave units. After that, I plugged in my heater to push the internal protection system. This heater pulls around 1500 watts, so it's way beyond the limit of this power station. The EnginStar instantly tripped the overcurrent protection, cut the power safely, and kept everything inside protected. And right after that, I turned it back on and continued to work without any issues, which tells you a lot about the safety design here. Now I moved to the inside of the house where I connected the TV, and again, it powered it up smoothly. This is great for like RV travel, backyard movie nights, tailgate, or even when the power goes out at home. You can definitely run small appliances and entertainment devices without worrying about flickering or noise from the inverter. Things like fans, lights, CPAP machines, cameras, drones, projectors. These are all perfect everyday use cases for this power station. Now, I'll talk about the solar setup here in a second, but the power station itself gives you 296 watt hours of capacity, multiple AC outlets, USB ports, USB-C, DC outputs, and a regulated DC port that is perfect for devices like the Starlink, mini fridges, or other 12-volt gear. You can also recharge it three different ways: a solar panel, wall outlet, or your car's 12-volt socket. Now to the solar panel, these are the included 60-watt foldable panels, and even with the sun starting to set, I was still pulling in up to around 33 watts. Depending on how I angled the panels, the input fluctuated between 20 to 30 watts. That's actually really good for late day charging, especially with compact panels like these. This means you can recharge throughout the day while you're camping or working outdoors, and you'll be able to stay powered throughout the day and night. If you want something lightweight, reliable, quiet, packed with real usable power for camping, RV life, backup power, or weekend adventure, this EnginStar 300 watt power station and solar panel setup is a solid choice.